Hi guys, in this video today I will talk about user defined function in Python. Okay, so here all of us will see in a practical way how will you declare and how will you define the user defined function. It means our own defined functions. Okay, and how will you use. Okay, so for that at first we will open my X second. Let me. Yeah, brother. Now, now both of us is ready to discuss about the user-defined function in Python. Okay. So let me show you my PPT. I have made my PPT on user-defined function topic. Okay. So in that PPT, I have mentioned how many topics both of us will cover and will discuss both of us together. Okay. Yeah. Let me share the screen. I will click on share screen. So Trancy, this is my PPT. I have made Python function tutorial. Okay. Yeah. So let me show you my next slide. So you can see here contents are written and both of us today will discuss about that topic. Okay. So first of all, understand what is a function. Then both of us will understand how to define and create a function in Python programming language. Then because once you have defined your own user defined function, that function will not execute by the Python controller. Okay. For that, for executing whatever written your program inside the what user defined function, whatever you will write the program inside the what should I say, your user defined function. So Python controller will not execute till that eh, suppose you will not call them. If you will not call them your user defined function, till that Python controller will not execute your program. Yeah. Yeah. So next, both of us will understand about user defined function with argument and without argument. And last fifth topic is star args. Okay. Here star means all and args is a object. It means this is a variable. Yeah, don't mind right now. We will see in the program a practical way. Then you'll be clear for that. Okay, so let me open my Jupyter notebook. Just I will type here CMD.
So for now, you said now we are busy. We are dealing with the libraries in Python, as you said. You said there are four libraries.
Yes.
So like right now we are starting with Jupyter.
Yeah. So whenever you'll be needy for Jupyter notebook, at that time both of us will download then install that in your system as well. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. For right now, I think this is the beginning
Are we
level.
still using the PyCharm?
Yo, yeah, PyCharm is good, nice IDE for Python. I'm also using PyCharm. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
because
So,
I'm also doing data science and visualizations and data analysis by using the different library like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. That's why Jupyter Notebook IDE is useful for data science. That's why I have downloaded and installed Jupyter Notebook, and I'm working on that.
so I get the point.
Yeah. So I will write here Jupyter Notebook. So this is the link. Let me close this browser because I don't need. Let me close. This is my link for Jupyter Notebook. I will copy
Okay.
this. Then I will open this Jupyter Notebook uh, in a new Chrome browser.
Okay.
Yeah. So here I have made one folder as IPL Data Science, and within this folder I have uh, oops concept Python tutorial. Okay. So this is my previous practice. Let me delete this. Then we'll start for user defined function.
Okay. Um, okay. So it's like today we are going to start creating the user functions.
Yeah, my own user functions. Okay, that function is not available in Python programming language. Whatever you will say, I will create that word as a user defined function.
Okay.
Yeah. Like I will use a function like Trancy.
Okay.
Trancy is also function because we are going to create our own function.
Yes. Because it's not a
Yeah,
what you call.
it's not inbuilt
It's
in
not in.
Python programming language.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I get the thing. Okay. So what about the those this one like magic method? We are going to start when because we just highlighted yesterday.
Brother, actually, magic method is that there are lots of magic method. Okay,
Oh,
so
okay.
so so at first, both of us has to understand about the user-defined function.
Okay. Before we go to the type.
Yeah. Because once you will understand about user-defined function, then we will make you understandable about method. What is a method? Okay, so at first try to understand about only user-defined functions.
Okay. I understand.
So Trancy, in your previous practice, you have used like append function in a list. Have you used list function like append, uh, clear, delete, insert?
Uh, I just did the list, but
Okay,
uh, but append I didn't. We didn't do those. We
okay.
just talked about. Yeah, we just discussed about the what we call it, variables like list, equals, um, what to call the
Set, dictionary.
yeah yeah set dictionaries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't worry, brother. I will make you understandable the difference between what user-defined function and the method.
Okay.
Yeah, generally you can understand as function will be applied for all argument, for all variable,
Okay.
but method is not apply for all variable, for all variable, or you can say whatever you are given as input.
Okay.
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 Yeah, because list is a data type, and I think 10 functions are there to use for list data type. So
Okay.
what function is defined inside the list class? Okay, it means that function will be applied only the list data type. If
Okay.
yeah, if you want to apply this function on another data type, this is not possible, because some particular functions, some particular functions declare inside the list class, and that method is special for a list data type. So you will operation with list data type only, not another data type.
Okay. Okay. Oh, so you mean when we are creating these functions, user functions, we have to deal with a list only. They are going
Yeah,
to be under list
yeah,
type.
yeah. Whatever function you have defined inside the class, that function will be applied
Oh,
only on
okay.
that class type, on data type.
On list only.
Yeah. so
Okay. I
so
get the point.
yeah, that is only example, not list. Suppose you have a class like tuple, and what function you like, you have tuple data type.
Uh, I'm I'm not sure.
Okay. So just let me start with the user defined function. Then later on we'll discuss about that. Okay, leave it for for right now.
Oh, okay. So for now, we just continue on the defining, creating.
Yeah.
We'll start now creating the functions now.
Yes. User defined function.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what should I highlight here? Because I'm taking some notes here. So I have to know what should I highlight exactly, because I have to take some notes so that at my spare time I have what you call notes.
Okay. So I will send you PDF. I have already sent you PDF. What? Professional notes PDF.
Okay.
So that PDF is enough for all topics what are comes into the Python programming language.
Okay. Yeah, but I have to write something also.
Okay, so then
Because
you can go through that also, brother.
okay.
Yeah, because you are highly interested in that PDF. That PDF is useful for you.
Yeah, yes, yes. Because these things sometimes I have to write.
Yeah.
I have to write
S-
something so that I must forget.
Yeah.
So it's important.
Yeah. So can I start with the user defined function? Okay.
Yes, now we are on the content topic number two, né?
Yeah.
Creation of functions.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we can start now.
Okay. 1 second. Let me making the heading for user defined function.
Yeah, this this course is very interesting, brother.
Yes,
I like
brother.
this course so much.
So, brother, my heading is user defined function in Python programming. Trancy, at first, analyze about the function. How will you use any function in Python programming language, and what is needy as a argument for function? Suppose any function you are using, at that time you'll be needy for argument, because according to that function name, you have to pass the argument, then you will get the output.
Okay, so when you're talking about arguments, you have to explain nicely. It's like you are talking about conditions or.
Yeah. Condition, argument, parameters, all the things are similar like that.
Okay, so uh, okay, but now we are based on creating functions, né?
Yeah. So,
Okay.
brother, whenever you will create your own user defined function, you have to start with the def keyword. So I will write here def.
When I'm starting creating,
Your own function,
yeah,
you have to start with the def keyword.
you say it's T or D.
D.
D like um. You said I must start. Can you? I don't know. Can you write there on the screen? Can you text me so that I have to?
Yeah, sure, brother.
Yeah, yeah. Can you text me maybe on WhatsApp so that I have to check the.
Brother,
I have to check the.
you are not using your desktop.
Yes, yes. I'm using the desktop,
So
but here
I have shared the screen. You can see here. I have written DEF.
uh, oh, um, this screen is on functions, content, what? It's on contents. I
Yeah.
didn't see.
Okay. Only contents. Okay. Let me share once again.
Yes, you have to.
Okay.
I think
Well,
you have
yeah.
to remove the content pixels so that I'll be able to.
Okay. Yes. Now you can see my screen. Are you watching?
Yes. Now I am.
Sorry, brother.
Uh, just wait. Okay, user defined function programming. Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay. Every time I have to highlight DEF.
Yeah. So whenever,
After
yeah.
yeah,
For-
no space or.
So for creating any user defined function, you have to start with the def keyword.
Okay. Uh, wait.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to highlight so that I must get. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I get the point. So it means in every creation of user defined function, I have to start with DEF.
Yeah.
So yeah. So with a space or without a space. Because
Def. You have to write def then a space.
okay. Okay. So I just want to know what is this DEF?
Diff.
So it's like
Brother,
it's a string code.
brother, def stands for definition of function.
It's what?
Def means definition.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's a shortcut for definition.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So def means here I'm going to create any user defined function. That's why I will give here def. Def means defining. Yeah, defining.
Okay, like giving a meaning
Yeah,
or
yeah, yeah,
meaningful
yeah,
to
yeah,
something.
yeah.
Okay, I get the point now.
Now I will give here the function name. Suppose I have given here, brother, you know the rule how to declare any variable, how to create any variable in Python. So that rule also apply here for function. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Yes. So same rule for function creating and any variable creating. Rule will be same for both.
yeah,
So I'll give here educate. This is the function.
yeah,
So I will put here set of parentheses.
yeah, yeah, I get it.
So brother, any function you are using, the function name then set of parentheses is mandatory.
Okay, so, okay, this education, remember last time you talked about the class and object. So we are not in that particular topic yet.
Okay, yeah, that topic I'll be covered, but before the starting the OOP in Python, both of us need to understand about user-defined function because this is very useful for OOP.
Okay, so here you put educate, yeah, educate, then you come
Set,
up with the
set,
response.
yeah. So now then I will give here colon.
Okay,
So completely my function is creating and function name is educate. Okay.
okay,
Yeah. Now I will do here enter. Brother, can you see this clearly or we have to make them as a
yes,
zoom?
yes, yes, yes. No, I see. It's like you define education. It's like we have created a function, yeah?
So I have made here zoom. Okay. Now you can see easily.
Yes, yes, yes. I see.
So brother, here my function name is educate. Okay. Now,
Okay,
brother, if this is the indentation here both of us should be alert for indentation. Okay.
what you say?
Indentation, indent.
Yeah, yeah. What is that?
So indentation is that this is the way to write the program in a structured way.
Okay,
Yeah,
in a profession or in a style.
yeah, because
Okay,
suppose I will write from here. Okay,
yeah.
code will not execute.
Okay, so it's like you have to give a space.
Yeah, so I will
It
start.
has to be structured. It
Yeah,
has to be
so
structured.
yeah, so I will start from here. Okay.
Okay, okay, yeah, I get it. Yeah.
Suppose, brother, I want to print here. Welcome, welcome to my YouTube channel in Educate Yourself Daily with Vikas. Okay.
Yes.
So, now I will run this program.
Okay, okay. So I just want to ask, you see, this prints is a statement. It's under educate as a user-defined function, the one that
Yes.
I've created.
Yeah. So inside the educate user defined function,
Oh,
I want output as welcome to my YouTube channel in educate yourself daily with Vikas JAISWAL.
okay.
So this is my function. Okay. So now,
Educate is the function. Then you
yeah,
have to print what is inside the educate.
yeah, brother. Right. Exactly. You are going good. You are going good, brother.
Yeah, because what I want is to
Yeah.
understand my history.
So, brother, let me run this program and we'll see what is the output.
Okay.
So, let me run. You can see, brother, nothing is output as output.
Yes.
So,
I
why?
have missed another line.
Yeah, because so why happened these things? Brother, you have declare educate user defined function, right?
Yeah.
But I have not called them. Till that you haven't called your user defined function, program will not execute. That's why here both of us are getting nothing as output.
Hello?
Yeah, brother. So here, brother, I want to say you, whenever you are creating your user defined function, you need to call that function.
So that the code must learn.
Yeah,
If you are
to
executing,
yeah,
then the code must execute it.
yeah. Whenever you will not call your user defined function, program will not execute.
Okay, so I have a question next before we continue.
Yeah. So
Uh,
here we need your meeting will end in 10 minutes. So okay.
oh,
Okay, brother. So here we need what? We need to call our user defined function. How will you call? Just simply you have to write your user defined function here.
oh, the same educate.
Yeah. So I will write here educate, then set of parentheses. It means here I am calling my user defined function.
Okay, so it means you're gonna give a name to the user function inside.
Yeah. Controller will go direct for that here. Then controller will see what is inside the educate user defined function. They will see welcome to my YouTube channel in educate yourself daily with Vikas. Then controller will execute. Then both of us will get the output like this.
Okay, so okay. So when you are defining, you are creating the user defined function,
Yeah.
always you have to name or to call the function.
Yeah. Yeah. To call our user defined function.
Okay, so you'll be calling the ones that you have defined,
Yeah.
not the ones that you print. No.
Yeah, brother. So this is my user defined function and I have called here end of the program.
Okay. Then there is no any extension of weights. No
Yeah,
inner bracket, just underscore.
yeah, only your
That is it.
function name with the set of parentheses.
Okay, then it ends here.
Yeah.
There
So
is no any other weight in
s-
front of the underscore.
yeah,
I mean brackets.
yeah. So now let me run the program.
Okay.
So I will run here. So brother, you are getting here nothing also. Okay.
Yes. And
S-
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm not getting. Yeah, I'm not getting anything here in front of educate.
Yeah, because I have called my user defined function. Even then, both of us will not get here as output. I think here there is a error with indentation.
Okay.
So indentation error is here. So I will
Where?
backspace. Yeah, yeah,
Where?
yeah.
Oh,
So this will be, yeah, yeah,
okay. So this one must correspond to define.
yeah, yeah. Define.
It must
Okay.
come close to define.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
Now
let
I
me
get the picture.
now let me run this program, and you can see output is visible.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. I get the point now. Okay, so it means there was an error.
Yeah. So that is a
So,
indentation error.
okay. Okay, so it means it gives the same again, the same weight which is the same weight which are on top,
Yeah.
the same comes down.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Suppose, brother, this is my user-defined function educate, and inside this user-defined function, lots of output I want. Then similarly, both of us can do. Only we need to call them. Whenever we will call our user-defined function, output will be visible for both of us.
Okay, so the same that you print here inside the print
Yeah.
must
Suppose suppose
come down.
yeah. Suppose here I want one more output of. Okay, so I will write here again print. Then I will write here Trancy is from South Africa. Okay.
Yeah.
So this statement inside the educate user defined function. So this will gives you as output. Okay. So let me run this program once again. So you can see your Trancy is from South Africa.
Okay.
Okay, brother.
Okay. I get it. The point. Yeah.
Yeah. So similarly, lots of user defined function you can create.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now,
Okay. 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 So I have a question. Eh?
okay.
My question is, um, I, okay. Then Okay. Let's continue. I'll ask the question.
Okay. So I here I'm going to create another user defined function. So I will again start with def key.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait. Wait. Yeah. My question is, yeah. Now I remember the question. Okay. If we are calling the functions, what name is given, or you just call?
So only you have to write your user defined function name, then set of parentheses round bracket
Okay.
to call.
Parentheses,
Yeah.
colons.
No, no colons. Colon is mandatory whenever you will create your user defined function. End of the function. I mean end of the function name you have to give colon. But whenever you are going to call them, I mean your user defined function. So only,
Automatically,
yeah, only,
automatically the colon
yeah,
is
without colon you have to only write function name and set of
okay.
parentheses to call them your user defined function.
Okay, that is the calling name. Yeah,
Yeah,
that is the naming.
yeah,
Okay, I thought maybe you gave again another name, a special.
yeah.
I was thinking like that.
So
Oh, so you don't give
so clear with this?
special name, you just call
Yeah.
using the yeah.
So clear with this?
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes. Uh, okay, so I must create, eh?
Yeah. So here I am going to create another user defined function.
Okay.
Yeah. So brother, above our user defined function is educate. Okay. So here I haven't passed any argument. Okay.
Okay.
Now, now here I am going to create another user-defined function, and at this time, both of us will use argument.
We are just creating. We
Yeah,
are just creating the. We
yeah,
are just creating the functions.
yeah. So here both of us will use argument for variable.
Afterwards.
So see, in a practical way, try to understand them.
Okay. So
So
now we are just busy creating user-defined functions only. We are not writing them. We
okay,
are not giving arguments.
okay. So I will write here add function. Okay.
Yeah.
This is add function.
Okay.
Suppose I want to add two numbers.
Yes.
So
Then you're gonna print.
so whenever both of us will want to add two numbers, so for that for both of us will be needy
Okay.
two variables where integer will be, yeah, integer will be assigned, then both of us will add them.
Okay.
So I will pass here like a comma b.
Okay.
So
All
this,
these ones you just write on the same sentence.
yeah, yeah, so this
Don't
is,
come down.
yeah, so this is two parameter where value will be assigned in these two parameters, and then both of us will add them.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna add on a print.
Yeah.
On a print. Okay.
So
Oh, so when a, okay, so when a statement